Praja sukhe sukham rajñah prajanam cha hite hitam. This is one of the most important and popular sutras from the Kautilya's Artha Shastra. This is very important for leadership. What is leadership? Leadership is the art and the science of governing a particular place, a kingdom or a country, or even an institution or an organization. Chanakya, who was a leadership guru, a Rajguru, wanted his students to have the right attitude and aptitude while leading his own people. So the Rajguru Chanakya is training the leader by giving this important sutra. Praja sukhe sukham rajñah. In the happiness of the people, Praja is the happiness of the king. Praja sukhe sukham rajñah prajanam cha hite hitam. In the benefit, hita, of the people is his own benefit. It looks a very simple sutra, yet it is a very profound sutra. Two words come out very prominently, sukha and hita. One is happiness and one is benefit. The king has to be loved by everyone, but more important is the king or the leader has to be respected by everyone. In leadership, you have to make sure that you make an ecosystem where everybody is happy. Unfortunately, leadership also is about taking tough decisions. It is like a doctor who gives you an injection. It is not at all sukhakari. It is not giving you happiness, but it is very hitakari. It gives you the right benefit. Leaders have to think that yes, I need to make people happy, but from time to time, he has to take some tough decisions which are for the benefit of the people. It is like a parent. Yes, a parent has to balance between love and discipline. If you love the people, that's great. But along with that, you have to discipline your people. And the simple example that is given by Chanakya is a leader should treat the whole kingdom and its all creatures, living and non-living, as his praja. So have the right attitude, be a great leader for the benefit of the overall society. Remember this sutra, think about it, meditate on it, and you will be a great leader yourself. Praja sukhe sukham rajñah prajanam cha hite hitam.